Hi curl friends, watch me go from oh no to oh yes using the Rucker Roots 5-step system for multicultural hair. I started with the Sulfate-Free Shampoo. I love how it gently cleanses my hair and scalp. Next is the hydrating conditioner. It has a really nice minty scent. It also detangles and moisturizes. Now it's time for the curly cream. Of course, I use way more than a dime size because I like my curls super soft. This cream is good for all curl types and patterns. I like to layer my products for maximum moisture, so I'm also going to apply the leave-in conditioner. Now I'm going to set my curls with the Texture Styling Mousse. This is how my hair looks with and without the mousse. I smooth the mousse over the longer strands of my tapered cut, separating my curls as I go. I like how the root oils in this product add lots of shine without weighing my hair down. Of course, I have to finish up the style by diffusing on low for 15 minutes. Now I am ready for my day with beautiful, healthy, and shiny curls.